Hi students, good morning. How are you? Fine. So now continuation of period table. Before class I explained Lothar-Meyer curves graph and another one is Mendeleev period table. Now previous also I explained some points. Modern period table. Modern period table just long form of the period table. Modern period physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their electron configuration and atomic numbers. Long form of the period table was first constructed by Niels Bohr. It is depends on the electron configuration of the elements. Modern period table contain or long form of the period table contains 7 periods and 18 groups. 7 periods and 18 groups. Every period starts with alkyl metal and end with noble gases. First period contains only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. It is a short period. Second period contains 8 elements. Third period contains 8 elements. Fourth and fifth period contain 18 elements. Sixth period contain 32 elements. It is a long period. Seventh period incomplete period. Lanthanides belong to sixth period. Octanids belong to seventh period. Both belong to third B group. So these are. Next one is the electron by which an element differs from its previous element is known as differentiating electron. So differentiating electron. In the periods, elements are arranged. Elements are arranged according to n plus L value of Aufbau principle. In modern period table is a representation of graphical representation of a Aufbau principle. So these are modern period table. Okay? So modern period class statement, write down. Physical and chemical properties of the elements. Chemical properties of the elements. Physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of the electronic configuration and atomic numbers. So next long form of the period table. Just this is modern period table. It was constructed by Niels Bohr. This period table was constructed by Niels Bohr. The period table depends on the long form of the period table depends on the electron configuration of the elements. Long form of the period table depends on the electronic configuration of the elements. Electronic configuration of the elements. Next one is, we know horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. Modern period table contains 7 periods and 18 groups. Period table containing, this period table means modern period table. Period table contain 7 periods and 18 groups. 7 periods and 18 groups. Every period start with alkali metals and end with noble gases Every period start with alkali metal and end with noble gases. Differentiating electron. What do you mean by differentiating electron? The electron by which an element differs from its previous element is known as differentiating electron. The electron by which an element differs from its previous element is known as differentiating electron. Differentiating electron is last electron. The electron by which an element differs from its previous element is known as differentiating electron. Differentiating electron. Generally in periods, differentiating electron s orbital in the first element and the p orbital in the last element. In each period differentiating electron s orbital in the first element and p orbital in the last element. Each period differentiating electron s orbital in the first element and p orbital in the last element. And another one is in the period table elements are arranged according to n plus l value of Abbo principle. In the periods elements are arranged according to n plus l value of Abbo principle. That is a point. So in the periods elements are arranged according to n plus l value of Abbo principle. When Abbo principle means electrons are enter into orbitals having lowest energy level in first ground state. And another one is the long form of the period table is the long form of the period table. The long form of the period table is a representation of graphical representation of Abbo principle. Graphical representation of Abbo principle. So that is another point. So the first period filled with 1s orbital it contain. Next, first period filled with 1s orbital. First period filled with 1s orbital. 1s orbital. It contain only two elements. Only two elements. Gaseous state. Gaseous state. Only two elements. Gaseous state. Only two elements. Gaseous state. Hydrogen comma helium. Hence it is a short period. Hence it is a short period. In the period table, short period only first period. It contain only two elements, gas state elements. So these are first period. Next one is second period filled with 2s comma 2p orbitals. 2s comma 2p orbitals. 2s comma 2p orbitals. It contain 8 elements. It contain 8 elements. It contain 8 elements. It is a first short period. First short period. It is a first short period. It is a first short period. So it is first short period. Next another one is third period. Third period filled with 3s 3p orbitals. It contain 8 elements. It contain 8 elements. It is second short period. It is a second short period. It is a second short period. Second short period. Fourth period filled with beryllium. Already I discussed. First period 2 elements. Second, third period 8 elements. Fourth, fifth period 18 elements. Sixth period containing 32 elements. Sixth period is a long period in the period table. Seventh period is an incomplete period. Lanthanides belong to sixth period. Octanides belong to seventh period. But lanthanide octanides are belong to same group. That is a third B group. Third B group. Fourth period filled with 4s 3d 4p orbitals. It contain 18 elements. 18 elements. It is first long period. It is first long period. And fourth period is a fourth period contain first transition series. First transition series. Transition elements, D block elements. Atomic number 21 to 30. Simply scandium to zinc. Okay, fourth period. Next one is fourth period, fifth period. How many elements? 18 elements. Next, okay, fifth period contain, fifth period filled with, fifth period filled with, fifth period filled with 5s, 4d, 5p orbitals, 5p orbitals, 5p orbitals. It contain 18 elements. It contain 18 elements. It is a second long period. Second long period. Okay, and this period contain second transition series. Second transition series within bracket 39 to 48 bracket yttrium to cadmium. Yttrium to cadmium. Okay. Fourth and fifth period contain 18 elements. First long period, second long period. And the sixth period already explained. Sixth period long period 32 elements. Sixth period filled with 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p orbitals. 6p orbitals. 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p orbitals. It is a long period. It is a long period in the period table. In the periodic table. 32 elements. 32 elements. It contains how many elements? 32 elements. 32 elements. It is a third transition. It contains third transition series. Third transition series. Third transition series simply hafnium to mercury. Simply 58 to 80. Hafnium to mercury 58 to 80. So anyway, in the period table, which period is long period? Sixth period, how many elements? 32 elements. 32 elements. And the seventh period is incomplete period. Seventh period filled with 7th period filled with 7s, 5f, 4d, like that. 7s, 5f, 4d, etc. It is incomplete period. It is incomplete period. 7th period filled with 7s, 5f, 4d, etc. It is incomplete period. Incomplete period up to elements. Atomic number having 118. Complete period up to elements, atomic number having 118 elements. Okay, so these are long form of the period table. Okay, and another one is groups. So generally groups, 18 groups. 18 groups. The 18 groups generally, groups 18, Here 18 group means so A groups and B groups. So A groups means 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A and 0 group or 8A also. 8A also. And the B groups. So B groups means 3B, 4B, 5B, 6th B, 7th B, 8th B, 1B and 2B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Generally, third B contain 3 subgroups. 8th B contain 3 subgroups. Transition traits. So 8th B contain how many subgroups? 3. Transition. Total A groups 8, B groups 10. Total how many? 18 groups. So generally A and B groups. Total A groups. So A groups and B groups. Generally A groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A groups 8, B groups 10. Total how many? 18 groups. Write down that point. Write down that point. So A groups 8. So B groups 10. Total how many? Total equal to 18 groups. So total 18 groups. Okay, so these are a modern period. And another important point, in the period table, 8th B group contain 3 transition traits. 3 transition traits. That means simply, now I am writing 8th B group contain 3 transition traits. 3 groups. That means simply 8th B. First one is iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, iridium, platinum. So these are 8th B. 8th B group contain 3 subgroups. First, second, third, like that. Iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium and osmium, iridium, platinum. So these are important points in modern period table. And then is lanthanide and octanates. Lanthanides and octanates. Lanthanides. Atomic number 58 to 71. 58 to 71. Lanthanides belong to 6th period and the 3rd B group. 3rd B group. And actinides 90 to 103 belong to 7th period. 7th period and 3rd B group. Lanthanide 58 to 71, octanates 90 to 103. 6th period and 7th period. 3rd B group, 3rd B group. Okay, lanthanides, octanates belong to same group, but 6th period and 7th period. So these are in the modern period table, 7 periods and 18 groups, like that information. Okay, next one is nomenclature of nomenclature of elements, atomic number above 100, above 100. So generally nomenclature of elements, CNIC, nomenclature of elements, CNIC. CNIC means Commission on Nomenclature, Commission on Nomenclature of Inorganic Chemistry, appointed by IUPAC in 1994. Nomenclature of elements, CNIC, Commission on Nomenclature of Inorganic Chemistry, appointed by IUPAC in 1994. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So nomenclature of elements. In these elements, generally they given word, Latin name and digit. So for example, in this category, so in this method they proposed, in this method, atomic number 104 to 107. In this method, atomic number 104 to 107 discovered that time. In this method, atomic number 104 to 107 proposed that time. So especially above 100, 104 to 107 discussed at that time. Okay, now I am taking first digit, Latin name and a word. Write on the point. Yeah, discover. Okay. Here one see digit to Latin name word. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Visible? Latin name 1 means nil, un, bi, tri, quad, pent. Here N, U, B, T, Q, quad, P. Like that, write down tabular form first. Write down first tabular form. After that 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 means ex, sept, oct, enn. Letter H, S, O, E. One, 0 means nil, 1 means un, 2 means bi, tri, quad, pent, ex, sept, septa, apt, oct, in. Pronunciation last name is, you keep all elements last one. Last word is compulsory IUM. Name last word. So name, element name last word, element name last word IUM, you keep element name last word IUM. So nomenclature of elements, atomic number above 100, so above 100. Generally atomic number, systematic name in 1977, IUPAC name 1997. Suppose 101 is there, 102 like that, 104, 103, 104 like that. 101, 102, 103, 104. A systematic name in generally we know. One means nil, unum. One means compulsory, nil, unum, IUM. 102, nil, bium. 103, nil, trium. 104, nil, quadium. IUPAC name is, these are Mendelevium, Nobelium, Lawrencium, Rutherfordium, like that. Anil, quadium, Rutherfordium. Write down the points. Write down the tabular form. Write down. Okay. Like that, 107, like that. So note point, note element with atomic number 104, named as Rutherfordium, Rutherfordium, Rutherfordium by Americans, Rutherfordium by Americans, where whereas Soviets named it as Crucetonium. Soviets generally 104 element name generally Rutherfordium by Americans, but the Soviets they proposed the name of Rutherfordium 104 element name is Crucetonium. So that is one of the important point. Anyway, so these are nomenclature. So for example, 107 is there. Generally systematic name simply annanil septium. For example, so these are completed another more example. Annanil septium, generally their IUPAC name is borium. Symbol UNS. Annanil septium 100, that is a borium. Systematic name, IUPAC name. So these are all completed. These are another simple example. You concentrate simply 101 means how much? 101 means which type of name? 102 like 1 means anna, 0 means nil, 5 means pento, 6 means eggs, 7 means sept, like that. Okay, so these are modern period table. So modern period table construction. Okay. Next one is depends on electron configuration of elements. Elements can be classified into 4 blocks: S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, and F block elements. Depends on classification of period table. Depends on electron configuration, okay, or depends on electron enter into different orbitals. Depends on electrons enter into different orbitals. Depends on electron enter into different orbitals. Period table divided into S block, P block, D block, and F block. Depends on electrons enter into different orbitals, periodic table divided into S block, P block, D block and F block. So S block means the differentiating electron enter into S orbital of valence shell. S orbital of valence shell is known as S orbital. So S orbital contain 2 electrons. That means S block elements containing only two groups. So S block elements means the differentiating electron enter into S orbital of valence shell. S orbital of valence shell is known as S block elements. Write another point. S block elements. The differentiating electron enter into S orbital of valence shell is known as S block elements. Write down that point. The differentiating electron enters into S orbital of valence shell. Valence shell is known as S block element. S block element. The differentiating electron enter into S orbital of valence shell is known as S block element. S orbital containing maximum 2 electrons. Hence S block elements having 2 groups. So S block having 2 groups. Why? S orbital contain only 2 electrons. S orbital contain maximum number of electrons 2. That means, so S block having 2 groups. They are 1A and 2A groups. 1A and 2A groups. 1A group elements are called alkali metals. So second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals. Okay, 1A group. Hydrogen also belong. So okay students, today 45 minutes time completed. Enough. Remaining concept of next class I will explain. Don't worry. Continuation next period. Okay. So this lesson only theory. Only maximum 10 problems is there. All theory ka inorganic chemistry. Okay. Next continuation next period I will start. Continuation next period. Okay my dear students. Thank you for all.